All right, I got my blueberries. One is a Bluecrop, one is a Patriot. I've got my Coast of Maine acid-loving plant soil because our blueberries, they need some acidic soil. So they really like the acidity. Look at the little blossoms that are coming out on this already. And we're gonna put them into pots. I've seen some people put them directly in the ground, but you've got to give them that acidic soil first. You gotta dig a hole, put that acidic soil in there, and then put them in the ground. I'm gonna be doing them in containers. This is a lower pH soil, really good for rhododendrons, azaleas, hollies, blueberries, strawberries, ferns. So it's good for planting directly into the ground. If you dig a hole first, you can put some of the Coast of Maine into that hole, and that helps give the right pH balance because it's got to be a lower pH for these plants to really thrive. All right, so here's what the soil actually looks like. It is filled with a lot of peat moss. It's not very clumped together. It's very aerated. And again, it's a lower pH. So this is 20 dry quarts. So we're gonna need 2 bags for this one. I was like, yes, we need this for our blueberries.
It's huge. As you can see, our other planter is ginormous too, but this is even bigger.
So this is our blueberry Bluecrop. I think we're just gonna combine. I think we got enough space in this container for both of these, honestly. So you can break up the root ball a little bit if you can. This one's not really wanting to break up a ton, but that'll stimulate new growth, kind of agitate it. A little bit of stress for plants actually is a good thing for the plant. As long as it doesn't go too far, you're usually stimulating more growth, sometimes even better tasting fruit. But we're gonna have 2 different varieties in here. Hopefully they get along nicely. This is the Patriot variety. Noticing that the Patriot variety is already putting out some blossoms, so that's kind of interesting. The other one, not quite yet. So it is late April here in the Midwest, and this one's flowering just a bit earlier.
Our blackberries are flowering too.
Blackberries are also flowering. Now you can create hills around the stems of tomato plants, blueberry plants, most vegetables, and it will actually strengthen your plant. It'll send out new roots where you're burying the stems. So not a bad idea to do. Your plants should get extra large from that. That's pretty much it. This is the Coast of Maine acidic soil. We got our blueberry plants in here. I'll keep you guys updated. Hopefully this helps. Happy gardening and have an amazing day.